Thinking about jumping into commercial real estate? Great move. It can offer bigger returns than residential, but also comes with bigger risks. In this quick video, let's talk about the biggest pitfalls new investors make in commercial real estate and how to steer clear. First up, misjudging demand. Unlike residential, commercial properties depend on businesses. So if you invest in an office space when remote work is on the rise or retail space in a declining area, you could be holding a very expensive vacancy. Always research local trends, tenant needs, and economic drivers. Yes, commercial leases can be lucrative, but they're often longer term and more complex. New investors sometimes forget about downtime between tenants, build-out costs, or operating expenses like maintenance taxes and insurance. Don't assume every dollar of rent is profit. Another big one, not understanding lease types. Triple net, gross, modified gross, these aren't just terms. They define who pays for what, and they massively impact your bottom line. A misread lease can turn a great deal into a financial headache. Number 4, trying to go solo. Commercial deals are more complex than residential. Skipping lawyers, brokers, or property managers to save money often costs more in the long run. Build a solid team. It's not a DIY game. And finally, no exit strategy. Are you holding long term, looking to flip, planning to refinance in 5 years? If you don't know your exit plan, you're investing blind. CRE success is all about strategy. So there you have it, 5 of the biggest mistakes new commercial real estate investors make. Do your homework, build the right team, and think long term. Want more tips on smart investing? Hit subscribe and stay tuned.